Hey guys, welcome back to and today we're gonna be short, guys. I can't believe it, we're gonna be short. And I got new stuff, guys. So as you can see, I got I got new stuff, guys. Oh, and I can show you something in my hive, guys. You're gonna be like, oh my God, CJ. You're gonna be like, CJ Devan, but he looks like a Devan. Oh, so you're gonna be like, CJ, I love this game. So as you can see, I got a new bee. I got a rascal, a gifted rat. Wait, how? Oh, I already had that. Never mind. I got a gifted bomber guys, and a gifted rascal, and I got these arm things. As you can see, guys, these arm things. And wait, and Jackson, what do you see with Jackson got? He the Portal Lane number, Portal Lane number. I'm gonna get that in a minute. I'm gonna get because I have 24 million. I'm about to get it. I want to get it so badly. And guys, that's yeah, I've been working on it, and guess what I got too in my inventory? I got Dole. I was working on these to get the boots. And Jackson got the Vicious P too. So I'm about to get it. Yeah, guys. Jackson has Porcelain Dipper over there. This is gonna be good. Oh, and I got this. If you guys didn't see, I got that. If you guys didn't see that, and I got the bubble one. See, I've been making stuff. I made the blue. Yeah. So guys, and I'm about to get the H. Yeah. So that's all that. Whoa, what the heck? As you can see, I got a new desk. I'm sitting at a desk right now. Because look, this is what I got for Christmas. I actually got this. Wait, ready? Buddy, looks like a demon. Oh, don't bother me. Don't bother me. Don't bother me. And then, want to see my mouse? My mouse is a gaming mouse. Don't bother me. And don't bother me. I'm going to take over your technology. So guys, that's mine. That's what I got. You can see. Whoa, what happened? That was kind of weird. This is gonna be a good video, guys. Wait, let me just move it down like that. I think it looks good over there. So, stop it. Play the video. So, guys, this is gonna be really good. This is gonna be a good video, guys. Think you should. Oh, yeah, guys. I forgot to show you something. Buddy looks like Steven. Oh! And I did the thing, and I got the 25 area, and Jackson got the layer. I can't believe if I like candy. See, guys, be good. What? Do that for your hands. Okay. So, guys, I'm sorry. I'm talking like I'm low. So this is gonna be good, guys. So, guys. Whoa. I didn't know that was facing that way. So, guys, it's gonna be good. Wait, let me just fill this pollen up. They're gonna be talking about stuff. Can't believe I actually got the Postal Lane bird. I'm gonna get it too. So, guys. Oh, and I got something. I'm about. Once I get Robux, I'm gonna buy the 4 million. And once I buy the 4, my mom's gonna give me 1,000,000 Robux. Actually 2 million, because she's gonna buy like a lot of the masks because she got a lot of money. And I'm gonna get the diamond mask. So I'll show you where it is. Oh my God, I missed it. You guys are gonna be like, CJ. So we're about to get it. So I'm about to get it. Today actually I'm gonna get it. But I can't show you right now. I'm shooting another video, so as you can see I'm about to get that mask. I can only get it at night though. And I can get another mask though too, instead of the diamond. I am actually not gonna get the diamond mask. I think I'm gonna get a different mask. Wait, and I think I can get the demon mask. And I have enough craftings for it. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out, guys. Let's go down here. Yo, CJ. Jump. Can we get up there? We can't get up there. We have to get better stuff. What do you guys think? We need to get better and better materials. Yo, There we go, guys. I didn't die this time. Guys, that's all the new stuff that I think I got one more thing. Oh yeah, I got that too. I got that. I got a lot of stuff. And I got NCs. I got glitter too. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And bye.